As you can see, we got our building here. There's our one helper. Sliding it off the back here. Down, and then we got a driver that's supposed to be helping us, and he's did something up there towards the front of the trailer for a while. He's disappeared to his truck ever since. So no help whatsoever there. So my 63-year-old dad and me are doing this, and just kind of upsetting. They claimed that they had so many nice things, you know, oh, helpful drivers and blah blah blah. Nah, well, I've heard a lot of cussing and stuff like that.
This is a painting that's more about scratching.
Yeah, really.